So now I am going to insert these records into table students, and I have created almost 20 records. And first of all, let's talk about the registration number. Registration number, I have made the registration number like this, and the name of the students, his or her father name, his or her CNIC, and his or her email address, phone number, enrollment date, department ID for will be used as foreign key, and his or her grades. So name of the student, father name, and imaginary CNIC number. So I did not write the CNIC number like the real ones, so it can accidentally match. So as I did with the phone number, so now I am just going to copy all of the insertion query, and just going to copy and paste that into university database SQL and paste. Now, oh, duplicate entry 20 for key registration number. So I have make mistake here. So bio 001 exists. Bio 001 BSCS. So duplicate entry 20 for key registration number 1000. Control F, bio 001. So, 0 hertz in, so 001. So database, line 74, Shahid Khan Akram Shahid Khan, search 01 hit. So why is it showing some error? Now let me SQL query insert into students. Duplicate entry 20 for key registration number. Hamza Ali. Let me read that query again and we'll find you what is the reason. So just wait a little bit. So let me check the. Okay, so these registration number. Oh, I think let's go to insert into students and registration numbers. So first of all, let's go to students, check the structure, and registration number is in varchar. So let varchar 250 save. So let's I have let's insert 20 rows are successfully inserted. I have set the registration numbers length to 2, which was very less. I think that was a lethal mistake. So now I have successfully inserted the records into students. Now you can check that the 20 students has been added. and it is starting from 21. So it has the same issue because first of all we try to insert the records, and the query got an error, and after that we reinserted after finding the issue. So let me check all and edit it. So I'll have to do the same. So one, two, three, four, no, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and finally 20. So now we have solved this, no, 17, 18, 19, and finally 20. So now we have all of the records set.